Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Chef Rogelio Garcia from Luce restaurant here inside the InterContinental San Francisco. And tonight is night 2 with competitors Cananuth and Cassandra, who have been working extremely hard to get this night 2 started. This is Culinary Clash 2022.
They basically kind of take the lead on it. You know, it's their menu, it's their recipes, is what they think a kitchen is run by, you know, how it's run. And so I think it's pretty cool.
We look at flavor, we look at taste, we look at execution, temperature, as well as just the build-up of the menu and how it pairs well with one dish with the other, as well as a wine pairing.
It was wonderful to get back to, you know, helping young students to excel and giving them the opportunity to cook and create dishes in front of a live audience.
So my name's Cassandra Tran. I recently graduated from City College of San Francisco through the Culinary and Hospitality program. I love homey food. I love food with soul. So being in fine dining, it's very it's very different from what I'm used to. I'm more of like comfort foods. If I were to bring something to the competition, it would be comfort, soul.
My name is Gananat Lerariapakin. Yes, I'm from Thailand. Everyone know me named S. That's my nickname. Now I am in the internship at the Greens restaurant. So this is my last semester to finish and graduate the City College.
Hi, how's it going?
Thank you for coming tonight.
We wanted to stay true to our culture and use a lot of the ingredients that we kind of grew up with. So you'll get a lot of bold flavors, right? Chilies, cilantro, fish sauce.
For the first course is the appetizer. I put the hoop rosé with the salted with the shrimp as well to get more flavor.
They're so poised and so passionate and so knowledgeable about their cuisine.
This was the first time I did rosé with a Thai dish, and I was really impressed by the way they use rosé within the Thai dish, not just to pair it.
There's a halibut dish that is very popular in Thailand and then also in China. So we tried combining the two ideas. We made like a little soy sauce pearl using agar-agar. So it almost looks like caviar, just to bring that fine dining aspect.
The entree was fantastic. It was a very flaky whitefish. There was a little bit of Thai chili in there. There was fish sauce. There was some fantastic soy caviar. It all kind of really came together.
The tamari pearls were fabulous and creative, and a really great way to add that tamari flavor to a fish that was wonderfully cooked.
We're gonna come up with the dessert. It's gonna be coconut lime sorbet with the almond cookie combo. And also we have the pandan sauce.
I loved the dessert. I honestly found myself ranking the dessert near perfect. I loved the taste of the sorbet with the cookie. It was so perfectly cooked. The presentation was beautiful.
So reflective of something that you don't see around at all, and just must have been so labor intensive that you almost felt rewarded by eating it with beyond the fantastic flavors.
The Culinary Clash definitely opened my eyes to prepping for a lot of people. It was a really fun experience. I would definitely do it again.
It's gonna be win or not, but I just like completely need people to try my food.